So maybe you're somebody right now who you're just feeling very overwhelmed with life. You're feeling very stressed out with life. And you're trying to do a million things at once to catch up, and it's just stressing you out. You know, you go on social media, you see people your age buying houses, buying cars, going on trips. Just seems like everybody's way ahead of you, and you just feel really behind. But what if I told you that the key to actually getting ahead is to slow down? It's not to go do 1,000 things at once. It's to slow down, take a breath, and just take life in for what it is. And that's what I'm going to talk about real quick. So, what's good, YouTube? My name's Chase. If y'all don't know me, I'm 21 years old. I'm trying to achieve financial freedom by 30. And one of the ways that I'm going to get there is by taking a break, slowing down, and enjoying life for what it is. And it might not sound like it, right? And that might not seem true. But I'm trying to tell you, you got to take a breath sometimes. You got to slow down. You got to realize that life isn't a race for everybody, okay? It's a marathon for most people. Most people aren't born with riches. Most people have a lot of stuff going on. Like, life is not a race. It is a marathon. So you got to treat it like a marathon. You got to slow down and pace yourself. Because if you try to go at it too hard, you're going to burn out. You're going to get stressed out. And it's just going to cause more problems in your life. And take this from somebody who 6 months ago went through a breakup, and I thought I was helping. I thought working more hours, trying to make more money, just trying to put too much on my plate was helping. But in reality, it was just causing way more stress than there should have been. And I should have took a moment to slow down, appreciate life, appreciate everything that I was given, and I didn't. And here I am now. I'm single now, okay? But it's not a bad thing, right? I'm able to take a breath now. I'm able to take a break, enjoy life, focus on myself. And ever since we've split, I've gotten super ahead in life to where I feel like I'm actually starting to find out who I am, accomplish what I want to accomplish, and I'm really just putting myself on the right track. I started saving money about 14 months ago now. I've been able to save $50,000 in that time frame. But it wasn't until after we split that I actually started to learn about investing. Okay, and I've been able to grow my investment portfolio. I make money off of my investments now. I've been able to learn about myself mentally. I've been going to church. I've been getting closer with God. And I feel like I'm just overall bettering myself, right? So that when the next person comes along, if that ever happens, I'm actually going to be ready to love them, because you got to learn how to love yourself before you can love somebody else. But just taking the time to breathe, taking the time to enjoy life for what it is, go outside in nature, go do things solo, like all of that, just taking a step back, relaxing and all of that, it brings me peace. It'll make your life a lot more stress-free, right? You got a lot less things to worry about. Your life will be simpler, okay, when you're trying to just take it easy. And it might seem like it's giving up, but it's not giving up, okay? What it is it's pacing yourself. I'm sure everybody's heard the story about the tortoise and the hare. That's not just a story, like that also applies in real life. I had an old coworker tell me this phrase when I first started my job as a garbage man. And he said that slow is smooth and smooth is fast. And it took me a while to actually understand what he meant. But once I did, and once it finally clicked, it was crazy. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. So slow is going to create like smoothness, stability, stress-free in your life. And when you're stress-free, stable, you're going to achieve things faster. You're going to have a clearer sense of mind, more peaceful mind. And you'll be able to actually get more stuff done. So just remember that phrase right there, that slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Don't try to race to the end. Pace yourself, okay? Because that's really what life is all about. So if you're feeling behind right now in life, if you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed out, stop trying to outrace everybody. Life isn't a race, bro. It's a marathon. So pace yourself. Take things a little bit slower. It's not giving up. Don't let anybody tell you that it's giving up, because it's just not. And take a breath. Enjoy life for what it is, because we're only here so long. Don't take anything for granted, and you'll achieve things much faster, okay? But I appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure that y'all like and subscribe. Take a breath. Slow down in your life. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.